All right, Dave with Continental Office coming back at you for our fourth and final giveaway for Black Friday. This time we're giving away this Gesture with a headrest right here. This is, again, another Steelcase Authorized Factory Return chair. So this is a chair that was returned to Steelcase within their 14-day return window. We sell these all over our website, and we've got 20% off all Steelcase Authorized Factory Returns right now through Black Friday. So go ahead and head over to ContinentalOffice.com, shop for your new chair. You get great deals on these already discounted, like new Steelcase chairs. Great program we've got going with them. And so we're excited to be giving away this final Gesture as our final chair in the Black Friday giveaway. So to enter in this contest, this is going to be the same as it has been. So if you've been following this, all we're going to ask you to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel below and then comment on this video. Alternatively, we are also we're going to be doing a Facebook post over on our Facebook page, and if you want to share that Facebook post with the link to this video, you're going to get an additional 2 entries into the contest. And so make sure to head over there. We'll have a link in the description below, but we'll also probably pin it in a comment as well. And so head over there, share this, really get it out there. We want as many people to enter as we can get. And so we're really excited to be giving away. This is over a $1,600 chair that we're giving away here. A Gesture with a headrest is, in my opinion, one of the best chairs made today. The headrest on it is far and away, I think, the best headrest of any OEM headrest that we've seen to date. Quick side note, always want to mention, we've had a lot of scammers commenting on these videos in the past. So if anybody comments, replies to your comment saying that you've won, make sure that you don't click on any links of any of those. Even if when we do announce that winner, we will be reaching out that way, but it's not going to be till the 29th, and we're not going to make you click on any links. And so these scammers have gotten a little sophisticated. They use our logo, they make it look pretty official. So make sure you don't fall for anything weird like that. We'll be putting a posting in the comments as well, just to make sure people are watching out for that. Also, please let us know if you do get one of those comments so that we can ban that user and make sure that nobody is getting scammed here. All right, so now the details on how we're going to be announcing the winner, and this is going to be the same as we have been doing. We're going to be putting a random wheel of names up on the screen, and we're going to be doing that on Tuesday, November 29th. So the day after Cyber Monday is when we're going to be releasing the winner to this. So we got all weekend long for everybody to get entered. A few quick things. You do have to be 18 years or older to enter into the contest. You have to live in the continental United States. And you do not need to be a former customer of ours. So no purchase is necessary to enter. It's a free contest to enter for anybody.
Nice.
This is only sponsored by us at Continental Office Furniture. This is not a YouTube sponsored promotion. We do have a link to all the YouTube community guidelines in the description below as well. So just making sure we went over all the little nitty-gritty details on all that stuff. But make sure you follow us on, we're going to be doing this as a live video on YouTube, just like we have for the past few, to announce the winner. And that, again, will be on Tuesday, November 29th at noon Eastern Standard Time. So make sure to follow us there. We've already given away 3 awesome chairs, and so we're super excited to be giving away this last one. Thank you guys all again for watching, for participating, for sharing this, and really getting it out there. We appreciate each and every one of you. We absolutely love all of our customers. And so if you want to get creative with the comments, keep those cool comments coming. We've had a lot of fun reading a lot of these comments you guys have been putting out there to enter into the contest. So maybe we'll give away something special for what we think is the best comment, even if you don't win. So I'll put that out there. We'll make sure whoever gets the best comment voted on by our staff here is going to get some kind of gift card or something. We're gonna take care of you. So I think that's all I got for you. We'll be giving away this chair in less than a week, so please get entered and share it, and we'll see you soon. Happy Black Friday, happy Thanksgiving. Don't eat too much.